A formula that repeats the same calculation 4 times runs 4x slower than necessary. Let calculates once and reuses the result. Cleaner syntax and better performance. Let takes pairs of name-value assignments, followed by a final calculation. Each name can reference previous names, building up complexity step by step instead of in one unreadable line. I take a real 300-character nested formula and refactor it with let. The result is half the length, self-documenting, and any colleague can understand what each part does at a glance. Let shines when combined with filter, sort, and unique. Name your filtered result once, then sort it, count it, and display it, all without recalculating the filter each time. Side-by-side comparison of 3 formulas, the original messy version and the let refactored version. I highlight how readability improves and show the performance gain on a large data set. Let is the first function I teach anyone who writes complex formulas. Start using it today, and your future self will thank you. Subscribe for more formula best practices.